Hello friends, this video statistics part 9 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched statistics part 1 to part 8. So we have these values and we have to find mean deviation about mean. So the first thing what we'll do is we'll find the mean. Correct? Here this is fi. To find the value of mean, we have to find fi first and then do summation. So this is xi, this is fi. Let's find xi, fi. So xi is 2, fi is 2. So this guy is xi, fi. So this becomes 2 into 2, 4. Similarly here also, xi is 5, fi is 8. This becomes 8 into 5, 40. 6 into 10 becomes 60. 8 into 7 becomes 8 into 7 is 56. 10 into 8 becomes 80. And 12 into 5 becomes 60. So we have found xi, fi. Now we have xi, fi and we have fi. Now let's do the summation. We'll add all this value. 4 plus 40 is equal to 44. 44 plus 6 is equal to 104. 104 plus 56 is equal to 160. 160 plus 80 is equal to 240 and plus 60 is equal to 300. So this value is 300. Alright, summation here. Similarly for fi, let's do summation here. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 27. 27 plus 8, 35. 35 plus 5, 40. This is 40. Now we have to find x dash, that is mean. Mean is nothing but sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi is nothing but 300. We have added, we have found xi fi and we have added this. This is nothing but addition of all these values. This is 30. 300 divided by sigma fi. Sigma fi is, you add all this value, you get 40. 40. Because I am saying I is 1 to n, I am adding all the values. So this becomes 300 by 40, that is 7.5. So first target is achieved. We have got the mean. Mean is nothing but, I'll write here 7.5. Once we have the mean, next thing is what? We have to find the distance of all these values, distance of all the xi's from mean. That is, we have to find xi minus x dash, or I can say xi minus 7.5 also, mod. This is the distance. So from 2, if I want to find 2 minus 7.5 mod, but I'll get 5.5. So this becomes 5.5. Similarly from 5, I want to find the distance of 7.5. That is 5 minus 7.5 mod, and that value comes out to be 2.5. So this value is 2.5 here. Similarly for 6, I'll find distance. 6 minus 7.5 mod, that value is nothing but 1.5. So this value is 1.5. Similarly for 8, we have to find distance. 8 minus 7.5, we find the mod, that is nothing but 0.5. So this value is 0.5. Similarly for 10, 10 minus 7.5, we'll find the mod, and this value comes out to be 2.5. So this guy is 2.5. Similarly for 12, we have to find the distance from 7.5. We'll take the mod, this becomes 4.5. So this value is 4.5. Correct? This is the value of distance of xi's from median, that is 7.5. So we have got the xi minus mean mods, all the values. We'll add these values. So if you add, because addition is not required actually. If you multiply and add. So we have to find fi xi's. So what we'll do now here, we'll find fi into xi minus x mod complement. This value we'll find, because this is something we have to find here. Similar to this, see, we had xi's, so we found xi fi. Now instead of xi, we'll use xi minus mean. So now we'll find fi into xi minus mean. So we'll find this value into this value. So 5.5 into 2 is 11. Similarly, 8 into 2.5 is nothing but 20. 10 into 1.5 is nothing but 15. 7 into 0.5 is nothing but 3.5. Correct? 8 into 2.5 is nothing but 20. and 5 into 4.5 is nothing but 22.5. This is the value of Fi Xi. Now we have to find sum also. If you see the formula is summation of Fi Xi minus X. It is mean. So we'll sum this. 11 plus 20 is 31. 31 plus 15 is 46. 46 plus 3.5 is 49.5. Plus 20 is 69.5. 70, 72, 92. So this value is 90. Correct? So we have 92. And n is nothing but sigma Fi Xi. This you know this, and this is n. So if we want to find the mean deviation, we'll use this formula. We'll say is nothing but sigma of Fi into Xi minus X mod, X mean mod, divide by sigma Fi. Correct? In both the case, I is equal to 1 to n. I is equal to 1 to n. Correct? This is the value of n. So this comes out to be 92 and this comes out to be 40 sigma Fi. You know this? So the answer is 92 by 40 and that value will come out to be 94 into 280. It is something 2.3 approx. And we have got the value. Very simple what we have done here. We have Xi's, we have Fi's. We found Xi Fi. Why we are doing this? Because we wanted to find the mean first. We got Xi. Now we got the mean. Mean is nothing but sigma Xi Fi by sigma Fi. So we got mean as 7.5. Now once we have the mean 7.5, we found a deviation of all these points from the mean. That is, we find mod of Xi minus mean and we got this values. Then the formula we had was mean deviation is sigma Fi into mod of Xi minus mean. Why? Here also if you see, because see logically we are finding mean only. So if you see both the formulas are almost same. This is Fi into Xi, this is Fi into Xi minus mean. Because in the both cases we are finding mean. Here we are mean and then we are finding deviation of the mean. This is deviation. This is deviation. And these are the values. To find the values we will say Fi Xi. To find the mean about deviation we will say Fi into Xi minus mean. So then we found Fi into Xi minus mean mod, the values. We added it and we got the. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.